So this year's tech challenge is to build a glider and a launcher to provide thrust for the glider. The glider needs to fly over a mountain range and by a storm cell, which means it needs lift. In addition to this, the glider also had to fly payload over to the target zone on the other side of the test rig. It sounds fun, doesn't it?
So these are some of our first gliders. They're made of foam, straw, and paper. The fuselage was too light and the wings were too big, so they didn't fly well. So what's next?
After our failure gliders, our team decided to do some research. We attended a workshop at the Hiller Aviation Museum. We visited a hobby shop, and we did some online research. The workshop taught us a lot about glider basics, which included aspect ratio of flight. At the hobby shop, we came across a model glider, where we also found a material called balsa wood. This is a good material because it is light, consistent, and sturdy. While doing online research, we found out that to generate lift, you need a long and skinny wings, and you also need a dihedral. This can be created by applying tape on one surface of the wing.
We wanted a simple launcher, so for our launcher we did research and found a toy gun which launches with a spring. We thought a spring was a good idea because it was easy to build, sturdy, and consistent with force. This is one of our final gliders, and all of our gliders have the same basic fundamentals with their bug-eye ping pong balls. Each of them have a 12-inch fuselage, 24-inch wingspan, and 1.75-inch floor length. The center of gravity and pressure is about the center of the wings. Our launcher has a basic spring mechanism with a dowel as a trigger. The dowel has different notches to alter the force. Adventure has led us to many great discoveries and lots of fun!